String a blue bead in each thread. Now pass both wires through the golden bead and stretch the both ends. Again, repeat the process. Finally, add one blue bead to each thread. Adjust its length according to your ring finger. Pass one thread from the golden bead. Tie both threads together. Cut out the extra wire. Burn the wire carefully. Don't burn your skin. If you like my video, please do comment and let me know my channel as